everyone. I hope everyone can see me. I'm here. My name is Tatevik. Feel free to call me Tata. And here's my team, 2 guys of them. And we are going to talk about the project called CityBugs. Our slogan for the project is, let's make our city a better place to live in. That's my team. We are the Changemaker Geeks. And 2 of them are here protecting me. And we have been here together as a project since 2012. So far, we've raised about $10,000 for the project, just for the CityBugs. But we've implemented hundreds of projects, successful ones, both internationally, in the US, in Europe, and in Armenia as well. So let's have a look at what is a bug. Like we all know, we are coding and something gets wrong, right? And a failure appears in the system. That's a mistake which appears there. Don't pay attention, don't pay attention. Can be, why not? Cockroaches everywhere, that's a bug as well. Forget about those. I'm not going to talk about these bugs, right? I'm going to talk about these ones, which we have in our cities. These are the social issues which we label as bugs. So CityBugs is a project, is a social platform for doing public good. This is a citizen reporting and e-volunteering tool. The project ensures participation between you and me, between citizens. And you and me and my team, we are in charge for actions. This is a project which unites around an idea. I'm gonna ask, how many of you has issues while walking from your home to school, to universities, and you see like, gosh, there was a tree just 2 days ago and the tree is gone. Or my park, where is my park? Or the garbage is still there from yesterday. The traffic light is not working correctly, right? You see a disabled person who is not able to get from point A to point C in your city because the infrastructure is not comfortable for him, right? You do. What was your reaction? Have you ever thought that you can change it? You can solve the problem. How? Via CityBugs. Every ordinary citizen is provided with a tool to pin the bug, the social issue, on a Google interactive map and track the solution to the issue. We raise and find solutions for socially critical issues in our immediate surroundings, in all themes. I ensure in all themes. Because citizens are reporting all the social issues which they encounter in their cities. Or you have issues with your transportation and traffic. You have issues in education, healthcare system, cultural issues, social protections. What we do, our innovation is that we filter the bugs, and the system shows what are the main problematic issues for this very district. The project also promotes volunteerism through community action groups. These are people who are volunteers for the project. The project has a unique function. It brings closer the government and the citizen. Government people usually make political campaigns, right? And you are not sure what's going to happen with all those promises. So CityBugs knows it keeps the government responsible for their promises which they give as part of their political campaigns. We operate on website, and we also have our mobile application working on both Android and iOS system. Feel free to download it. So bug statistics. We get social issues, bugs from you. So far, there are 434 bugs, out of which 171 are solved. How? When you report the bug into the system, you take the picture, you put a short description, and the bug is pinned on the Google Interactive Map, right? All this information gets directly to the municipality, guys. This is how the circle works. So far, we've started with just one city, the capital, Yerevan, the capital of Armenia. And so far, we've duplicated to 5 other cities. And there are 5,000 registered users per city. So what is the impact on the community? Improved infrastructure, first of all. And I am happy because the traffic light is working properly. My living standard gets higher and lifestyle gets better. I'm happy because the park right there, it was somehow damaged. Somebody reported a bug, there you go. The tree is already there, planted. The government took care for it. And of course, it has to do with increased trust level toward the government. And first of all, I feel myself appreciated because I'm an active citizen. What is the impact on the government? The government is happy too, because the city gets better, the infrastructures get better, and we provide free of charge, regular and non-biased information flow on existing social issues. Not we, you do, citizens do. And of course, it has impact on the government on the level of savings, because they do not need to have a team of people who go out to the community and figure out what's wrong in your district. And of course, it has to do with increased trust level. This is a monitoring and tracking tool. And in the end of the day, this is a bettered image for the government. What is the impact on our volunteers? Somebody of you, and we all, know the figures, increasing one, about the youth unemployment rate. And so we provide career opportunities for the youngster. They get a bunch of skills, communication skills. This is a peer-to-peer education tool because they learn from each other. And first of all, they overcome apathy and misbehavior. What we do, we help people to become socially responsible.
Last minute.
Okay. Another innovation I really want to talk about is we managed to connect 3 pillars: IT community, the government, and citizens. And in the center here, it's the social good. And these pillars collaborate together successfully for the social good. Of course, there were many challenges. My community, they do not have the change maker mindset. They do not believe that digital innovations are able to bring results. I cannot be a volunteer all the time, I get tired. So sustainability is an issue. And vision, we are open for collaboration. For international community, do you know any similar projects? Let us know. Donors and private sector, as part of your CSR strategy, corporate social responsibility strategy, use the data which CityBugs provides to build up your marketing strategy. And our vision is really important here, because we want to scale up the idea. We want to duplicate the idea to other cities. When I was thinking about the category while applying for the Europe 2020 Council of Europe and this European Youth Award, I was somehow confused. I didn't know which category to apply for. If you're asking me why, because CityBugs fits to all of them. Honestly, it does. And these are our contact details. This is not just simply to write it down and forget. This is a call for collaboration. Find us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Tativik. This is great. Questions for CityBugs?
Thanks. So I really love your optimism you have, but at least I noticed from Austria, yeah, we actually talked with some villages and smaller cities, and the thing is that actually there are some apps already out there. For instance, also for Styria, for some villages where you can report issues, like in CityBugs. What we actually experience is that the collaboration with the government is not really that way you do it. So most of the time actually it raises the thing that they have to do something, so their work level actually increases, and they're not really happy about that they suddenly can't ignore things which they ignored before. So how do you deal with that actually?
First of all, when we went to the municipality for the first time and we started to talk about the CityBugs, the very first reaction was like that. Guys, you know, there is Facebook. We have our page. We have lots of sources of information. We do not need another one. But then the community, the people, the citizens started to report the bugs. And the number were growing and growing. And the municipality realized that this is becoming a tool, not just reporting about bugs in the city, but also for suggestions. And it's not just about reporting the bug. Probably everything is so perfect in your city or in your surroundings. So citizens are just suggesting, people, could you please think also about this and that? So right now, our collaboration is really on a good level, and we want to keep it up.
Also, I will add technically that we give them an access as an administration, and they can change the status of reports that are issued from solved, unsolved, and they are participating, and they are not only the part, they are a part of the project.
Okay. Any other questions? There's a project in Boston which is called Boston Connect, which is similar, so you might want to look at this. But Yerevan is being cleaned up and bug-free thanks to Citybugs. Thank you very much.